Weather is the most common small talk in English. Want to speak naturally like native speakers? Stay with us and learn real weather phrases you can use every day. Hey, Sarah, beautiful day, isn't it?
Hi, Alex. Yes, the weather is perfect today.
The sun is shining, but it's not too hot.
Exactly. The temperature is just right.
Do you like sunny weather?
I love sunny days. They make me happy.
Me too. I feel more energetic when it's sunny.
Same here. Rainy days make me sleepy.
Yes. Do you like the rain?
Only when I'm at home with a cup of tea.
That sounds relaxing.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like cool and windy days.
Oh, nice. Windy weather feels so fresh.
Yes, it's perfect for walking outside,
True. But too much wind is annoying.
especially when it messes up your hair.
Oh, yes. Do you check the weather forecast?
Always. I check it every morning.
Me too. It helps me decide what to wear.
Speaking of clothes, it was so cold last week.
I know. I had to wear 2 jackets.
I even used gloves and a scarf.
Winter can be really harsh sometimes.
Do you like winter?
A little, but only when I'm indoors.
Same. I hate going out in the cold.
But I love hot chocolate in winter.
Oh yes, hot drinks are the best in cold weather.
And warm blankets.
What about summer?
Summer is fun, but it gets too hot.
Yeah, I sweat a lot in summer.
Me too. I always carry water with me.
Do you like going to the beach in summer?
Yes, the beach is perfect on sunny days.
I love swimming when it's hot.
Same. It feels so refreshing.
Do you ever get sunburned?
Sometimes. I always use sunscreen now.
Good idea. The sun is strong.
What do you think about spring?
Spring is wonderful. Everything looks so fresh.
The flowers are so beautiful in spring.
And the weather is not too hot or cold.
Exactly. It's very comfortable.
Do you like autumn?
Yes, I love the colorful leaves.
Autumn has a calm, cozy feeling.
True. I enjoy walking in the park in autumn.
Weather really changes our mood, right?
Definitely. Good weather makes me happy.
Same. Bad weather makes me lazy.
Oh, yes. Do you have a favorite season?
I think spring is my favorite.
Nice. My favorite is autumn.
Both are great seasons.
Yes, every season has something special.
Talking about the weather is actually fun.
It is. Let's grab a drink and enjoy the day.